Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach very important stuff and secret of ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT, when you are writing the prompt, so there is a secret. So if you are a content creator, so for example, if you are just create the example of here, I am going to act as a, you have write the prompt. Okay, we act as a world traveler research. Okay, so I'm going to write this prompt. Based on the prompt, the result will be displayed. So I want to write the article about London Bridge. Okay, so here this is the normal article. Okay, London Bridge. Okay, London Bridge. London. This is a very famous bridge in London. Okay, so here an article. Okay, so click on it. It is going to write your articles here. Okay, so this article is fully AI generated articles. So here everyone know this is a AI article. So when you write the article, so if you write this slash human, so it will be generate the article as human friendly article. So here write I want to generate the article here, whatever you can write as a human writing. So you write put it this slash human. So you can see here now now the article is changed as a human writing like this here. Here compare this and this. Okay, London Bridge as one of that London Bridge. So here this one you write. It is when you are hearing about the words London Bridge. So it's very when you go to read these articles, it's very human readable. Okay, you can see here when you are hearing the word of it's a very this article very high catching chance to necessary everything is will be explained as a human. Okay, everything you have to writing as a human. So this is the secret. There are no one ever know about the content writer. So these are the secret of ChatGPT. You have to when you write the articles and everything, you have to what is the AI understand. You have to understand that how the AI understand. These all things you must write. You must study. Okay, so here the same thing. When you are writing these articles more deeply. Okay, when you write this article more deeply, you write. You have to use it this one EL10. Okay, UL10. You are putting the word EL10 and these all things and just this is a human 10 and human readable. Okay, so this article will be written very research purpose. Here this is writing as a where this everything here this one it summarize this everything here. London article is that short and sweet it will be writing the article. If you write as a this one EL10, you have to use these articles and check them how the things works, right? So the same article, so I'm going to write the same thing. I'm going to put it here TL. Let's summarize and give these articles. These are the terms you have to use it. I'm going to write this all the human team. I'm going to get rid of this. Now you can write it here TL read. It's long, it will be read. It didn't read. So if the article is too much long, no one didn't read. So here it will shorter. So London Bridge is here. The short. This is a long article. It will be shorter. It should be written. Everything is included, but short. Whatever you are read and when you go through some articles, you have to get the short those articles. You have to use this keyword TLDR. So this article should be, you can see short and sweet. Okay, that's how we have. These are the forms you must aware of when you are a content writer. So if you want to do it and write the articles in AI, so these are the things you must know about this one. This is very EL10 TL. Yeah, this everything is very must when if you are going to article write. This is a very, there are many students you are asking when you are going to write the articles, human article. So they are telling human 100% readable. Okay, so that is not a keyword. This keywords is ChatGPT knows that people who want to write the article, they want to write that article 100% using human content. So you write slash human, that article has converted as a human writer. Okay, so you have to know about these all the secrets. This is very important stuff when you are this is very important stuff. Those who are content writers. Okay, this is a very useful tips you have to get them. Okay, thank you for watching.